In the Orange County housing market, some homes are selling in just over a month, while others are moving at a snail's pace. The difference comes down to four key factors: price point, property type, location, and most importantly, pricing strategy. Let's break it down. I'm Tim Smith, principal of the Tim Smith Real Estate Group, Coldwell Banker Realty's #1 team in California. Let's dive into your May 2026 Orange County real estate market update. One of the biggest things sellers need to understand right now is that Orange County is not a one-size-fits-all market. Countrywide, the expected market time is 80 days, but depending on the price range and property type, the market can move much faster or much slower. Detached homes pricing between $750,000 and $1.5 million are moving the fastest, with expected market times between 41 and 44 days. That is the current sweet spot of the market. When these homes are priced correctly and show well, they are still getting strong attention and in some cases multiple offers. But as the prices climb, the market slows. Homes above $2.5 million represent the top 10% of the Orange County market, and they are taking significantly longer to sell. Homes above $6 million are moving at the slowest pace, with expected market time now stretching over 300 days. Attached homes are also moving slower than detached homes, largely because of the affordability pressure from higher HOA dues, insurance costs, maintenance expenses, and special assessments. So the key takeaway is this: your strategy needs to match your specific segment of the market. Inventory increased by 6% over the past couple of weeks, bringing Orange County to 4,206 active listings. That increase is normal for this time of year. As we move deeper into spring, more sellers come to market, and inventory typically continues to rise until it peaks sometime between July and August. For sellers, that means competition is increasing. But even with more homes coming online, inventory is still well below pre-pandemic levels. So while buyers have more options than they did earlier in the year, we are not in an oversupplied market. Buyer demand dipped slightly over the past couple of weeks, down 1% to 1,584 pending sales. That tells us demand is still relatively stable, but it may have already passed its seasonal peak. From here, mortgage rates will continue to play a major role. If rates move lower, more buyers could re-enter the market. If they stay elevated, affordability will continue to keep some buyers on the sidelines. Right now, buyers are active, but they are selective. With inventory rising and demand easing slightly, the expected market time increased from 75 to 80 days. That is almost identical to last year, when the market time was 81 days, but slower than pre-COVID average of 65 days. Detached homes are still moving faster than attached homes. Detached homes are at 72 days, while condos and townhomes are at 93 days. This does not mean the market is weak. It means the market is more competitive and more segmented, and pricing correctly from day one matters more than ever. For sellers, this is still an active market, but is becoming more competitive as inventory rises. The homes that are priced correctly and presented well are still moving, but overpriced homes are losing momentum quickly. For buyers, you have more options today than you did early in the year. In some segments, especially higher price points and attached homes, you may have more time and room to negotiate. But well-priced homes in the hottest ranges are still moving quickly, so don't miss those options. The bottom line is this: Orange County is one market, but is moving at many different speeds. Price point, property type, location, and price strategy all matter. I'm Tim Smith with the Tim Smith Real Estate Group. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Orange County and want a strategic plan, not guesswork, let's chat. Text, DM, or email me, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or our email newsletter to get our update every month.